Today I'll be making a traditional Circassian dish called hadrops pasta, which consists of sticky rice, a special sauce, and chicken. This dish is typically eaten on Fridays and Saturdays at family dinners. It's served on a big plate and set in the center of the table for the whole family to share. In the old days, in the Caucasus, it was served as the main dish at weddings. It's a very popular dish, and it's the sauce that makes it unique. The most dominant ingredient in the sauce is a special spice called kud hajer. This spice is made from coriander that is crushed from the root to the smallest leaves. In our village, only 2 women make this spice. Nobody else knows how to do it. Generally speaking, besides Circassian cheese, this spice is most identifiable with the Circassians' cuisine. I live in Kfar Kama, one of 2 Circassian villages in Israel. Our community has about 5,000 people in all. Our origins are from the Caucasus. After a very long war between the Russians and Circassians, many Circassians migrated to countries such as Turkey, the US, and also Israel. We put much effort into keeping our traditions and language. We also only marry within the Circassian community. As part of maintaining my culture, it's important for me to keep cooking Circassian dishes like hadrops pasta. I made a few changes, and I serve it in a more modern way, but still, I hope to keep the tradition going.